Good morning, good morning. Here we go again. I hope you had a great weekend enjoying your family, enjoying moments with your people that you love the most. And I hope that everyone is okay. Today we are going to talk about writing paragraphs. So we will learn about the different parts of a paragraph. Um, First of all, I want you to open your books and go to page 70. And I want you to take a look at the picture. Well, you can see that this is a paragraph that a child, a student has written, and he's writing about his favorite pet. So take a look at the picture. What's his favorite pet? It's a snake. Okay. Well, first of all, I want you to listen to this piece of writing, and then we are going to talk about it, to analyze it, to see what the parts of this paragraph are. Are you ready? Let's get started.
My favorite pet is my snake, Spotty. He's a corn snake. He's 50 centimeters long and he's red and white. I feed him one small mouse every week. He's friendly. He does not bite people. Some people don't like snakes, but snakes can make good pets.
I now want you to read the paragraph once again and decide what's Spotty like. Remember, this question is about someone's character. So you're looking for an adjective in the text that characterizes a Spotty. Okay, read it and we'll be back again. Okay, did you find it? So Spotty is friendly. Okay, now let's take a look at the different parts that a paragraph has. First of all, you see that it must have a title, and the title here is My Favorite Pet. We also write our name, so My Favorite Pet by Aaron Michaels, all right, so that we know the writer. And then we write down a topic sentence. The topic sentence here is my favorite pet is my snake, Spotty. What does it tell us? It tells us some basic things. What the pet is and its name. All right. So title and topic sentence. So if you take a look here, you will see that it says a topic sentence gives the main idea in a paragraph. So we show the reader what we are going to talk or write about. Okay. After the topic sentence, we need to give details, which means that we need to say or write more things about this animal. So let's see what exactly these details are. First of all, if you take a look here, he says, he writes, he is a corn snake and he is 50 centimeters long and he is red and white. So he gives us its features. So features have to do with whether the animal is big, is small, is short, is long, or its color. Okay. Then he writes, I feed him one small mouse every week. So here we have some habits. What are habits? We write about what it does every day. For example, in the case of a dog, you might write that I walk him twice a day, or he has favorite toys and he plays with them every day, or he spends his time on the sofa sleeping. All these are habits, things that the pet does every day. You can also talk or write about its diet, that is, what it eats. All right, here Aaron is writing about what he feeds his pet. The next thing that we need to talk about is its character. He is friendly, he tells us. But as you can see, this is not enough. The sentence, he does not bite people, shows us why he is friendly. So when we write about the pet's character, we also need to add another sentence in which we write about what it does that shows that it is friendly, or whatever we have chosen to write. Okay? There is also a final paragraph. The paragraph that ends our writing. In this paragraph, we usually write our opinion or also other people's opinion, but our opinion must be there. So take a look here. Some people don't like snakes. Is in these other people's opinion? It is. But snakes can make good pets. This is the writer's opinion. This is what Aaron believes. Okay, so all these things make a paragraph. So let's go over to see all the special characteristics that we need to remember when we write a paragraph. First of all, it has to have a title. Here, it's my favorite pet. Don't forget also to write your name by, here we have Aaron Michaels. And then we have the topic sentence, which is the sentence that gives the main idea in a paragraph. And in our case, the topic sentence is, my favorite pet is my snake Spotty, which gives us information about what the animal is and what its name is. After that, we have details. So we can start with features. That means we can start by describing the animal, saying how big, small, short, long it is, or what color it is, or any other details that we want to add. Then we have habits, that is what it does every day, or its diet, that is what it eats every day. Then we write about its character, but also we add a sentence which gives us an idea of why this animal has this character. And the final paragraph has our opinion, and we can also write about other people's opinion. Now I want you to go to pages 68 and 69 and take a look at the text, that the paragraphs that we saw on Friday. I will ask you now to pause the recording and try to find the topic sentence in each of the 5 paragraphs. Pause it and we'll be talking about them after the pause. Okay, so as you can see here in paragraph 1, the topic sentence is, many people around the world keep pets. And as you can see, this topic sentence has something to do with the title. The title is Pets in Different Places. So people around the world connects the two sentences. And as you remember, this paragraph tells us about reasons why people keep pets. In the second paragraph, there are lots of different pets around the world. The topic sentence tells us about the types of pets that people keep. Let's now go to paragraph 3. The topic sentence is, one of Japan's popular pets is the bunny rabbit. And it talks to us about the bunny rabbit and how people in Japan, how connected they are to it and how they love it and what they do. So this paragraph is about the bunny rabbit. In paragraph 4, some people choose unusual or exotic pets. This topic sentence informs us that the whole paragraph will be about unusual or exotic pets. And as you remember, we learned about iguanas, geckos, tarantulas, all this. The final paragraph, there's a type of pet for everyone, tells us that all of us can have the right type of pet. People all over the world choose different pets for different reasons. So this is the way that topic sentences work. They give us the main idea in a paragraph. I want you now to go to page 70 again, and let's go to exercise 31. Read and match the titles to the topic sentences. Here we have titles of paragraphs, and here we have the topic sentences. Let's try and connect them, and let's start with the first one as an example, and then you will pause and you will try it yourselves. So, number 1, a day at the zoo. We focus on the keywords here. The word zoo is an important word. And we have a day at the zoo, which means that this is about a visit to a zoo by a child. So, if you take a look at E, you will see, when I go to the zoo, I spent the whole day there. So, this is the topic sentence. So, 1 goes with E. I want you to try the rest, and then we will discuss them. Pause it now. I'm sure you're ready. So let's give the rest of the answers. So 2, my mother's job, goes with D because the keywords are job and a chef. My mother is a chef at an Italian restaurant. Number 3, my favorite class. It goes with B. My favorite time of day at school is art class. So the word class is common here. In number 4, after school jobs. Jobs is another word for chores, so it goes with C. I have to do lots of chores at home after school. So 4 with C. And finally, 5, our pets, goes with A. My sister and I have got many pets at home. So pets are common in the two sentences. So you will have to write your own paragraph about your favorite animal. Here it says write a title and a topic sentence, but I want you to write a full paragraph and send it to me. Do your best. Thank you for watching. We'll be back tomorrow. Have a nice time.